Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these adorable little baby sandals are the Oaklynn sandals from the brand Rite.
These sandals are so adorable on my little one. They fit him perfectly and they are super comfy. I have to say that they match with everything, and my favorite thing about them is how well he can run around in them. He can climb, he can go all over the place. Another amazing feature is that it's completely adjustable. My little one has really wide feet, so I can adjust the Velcro to fit his foot perfectly. It's almost like a custom shoe. Everything is really well padded, and the sole has a really nice cushion to it, so I know that he is really comfortable when wearing them.
So if you are in the market for some sandals for your little one, don't sleep on these Oaklynn sandals from Rite. They are so comfy, they have so much cushion, and they are adorable. And that's my point of view.